Right, so what I'm going to do here, I'm just going to start taking out, if you come and have a look here. If you remember one of the videos I did, close these doors, these windows. So before I done a video on the damp proof course, if you have a look here, I have this raised up now for the damp proof course. It's ready to be clipped up for the wood to go up and clipped in here, and then we're going to put another DPM, and then we're going to render around that. That's going to be rendered. This has to be done over here. So if you have a look, I'm just going to take this out. Now this used to have a lime render here on this wall, but this is a cement render, and that's still hard. This was done, I think, about 20 odd years ago, but this render is a lime render, and it's just fallen apart because it hasn't been breathing. It hasn't been allowed to breathe. They put a gypsum on top, and that's what caused the thing to erode. So you have to chase it back to its original, and that's where the cement stopped. It's hard as a road here, but it was soft here, so that all had to be taken back. I just continue doing this. It wasn't that much to do. So that is tight. That is, all that cement is really, really tight. Okay, right, so that is, if you come and have a look again, I'll pull my radon barrier or my undersheet underneath these pipes. These are going underneath the pipe and up, and then we're going to attach and grip this in so we can then render over. This is actually where the skirting's going to be. The skirting actually goes about here. The idea really is to get this all sort of chased back in order to get this safely in. The idea, I want to put the insulation in today. Once we've done that, we'll set that out. Sammy, you're just building that, are you, kiddo? What? You're building the first thing. Are you going to build this one as well, Charlie, or Sammy? Which one? Oh, that one there. Right, okay. Where are we doing that? Upright brick just, or block, or 4-inch? Yeah. Do you want me to take that out? There's a door going in, but I put a skylight, and the reason why I want to get as much light as I can into the building. You know, sometimes you know, and you can do that. There's, you know, as long as. Put an HV window here now, frosted or something. I think if I have it here, I want to try and block that up because I want the sofa to go there. Yeah, beautiful glass doors, and then I'll get we'll just put a skylight in above the same glass. Just it'll be a standard glass. I'll probably frost it, but at least it produces light this way and that way. Like that skylight there, like that. Right, I'll take these out now for you. Right, that'll do. So we have this beautiful little, this has to be restored. See this one over here? I'm taking this. So what's happened is you can see here, look, plaster has gone in, and it's continually plastered around this beautiful architrave. This actually is the door frame, and it's gorgeous wood. But sadly it has to go. This is being blocked up. We're blocking this room up and we're putting a new head in there. So sadly I have to take it off. So hopefully I can get, I don't even know if I can, it's death to it really. So I'll see if I can take off first of all. So I'm trying to be careful up here because it's all painted in. See there? Watch this. I don't want to damage, it's that much paint on it. I mean, it's hundreds of years of paint. See it? It's breaking. There's that much paint around it. It's more or less attached itself. Yeah, I mean, it'll need to be absolutely, that's not good. That's not good at all. You see the crack has occurred because it's been painted in. It's got gloss paint all over it. Look, this is the problem when it's not looked after. Come on, don't do it to me. Nothing I could have done about that. That was painted in. I should have thought about it quicker. I can probably get it resin back in, and then I have to sand it down again. It can be repaired. That little princess there wants to go back. I don't even know if I can get a replacement corbel. I think what I might do is I might take a silicone mold of her, get her scraped back, get this all taken back and take a mold and then make new ones just in case. I'll have to buy silicone. Can be done, but it has to be prepared before and shaped. So that'll take me a whole day just to make that mold, but I'd rather do it. We'll probably do that in a video. Right, let's keep going. Ta-da! You ready for this, guys? Watch this first switch. Whoop, doop, whoop, doop, 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 doop. Bruh. Bit of work. It's a bit of work, all right. So my concern is this falling off. So what they used to do with the old frames, they used to put a rough piece of frame in, and they used to finish it off then with a beautiful piece of rail or wood outside. Always done with a rough. Look at the head. The head's made of wood. See that? That's all wooden head. We don't do that anymore. If we weren't blocking this out, we would have to replace that head. There's a wooden head here that has to be replaced with a concrete one. So all I'm going to do here now, this is quite beautiful. I mean, that's lovely wood. Molded door frame. That was probably put in 120 years old. 120 years. That's shit. I need a bench to work from. Bit of firewood. So 120 years into the fire. Keep us nice and warm for a while. You're probably going to get bored of me just putting stuff on the fire. You could actually do it. Alan spends his time keeping himself warm. Right, so this here, it's normally, we call that's basically either a plastering or a render end stop. So if you have a look there. Now, why or what am I using this for when it comes to the flooring? Now, I want to secure, there's to be this roll here, look. This stuff here has to be rolled out. And it has to be bagged up onto, got a bit of a chest. So what I'm going to do is this is the sheeting that has to go down. And what I'm going to do is pull this sheeting. If you want to come and have a look here, Rowan, I was telling everyone about this video before. This is going to go in against here, and then we need to attach it to the wall. The idea really is I want to have, there's going to be another piece of DPM goes down there, and we're going to attach that to the wall and then plaster and render. That stops the damp from getting into the property. Not permanently, but mostly. You'll never stop damp from a house at this age coming in all the time. There's people who are, oh. Hi guys, sorry to interrupt you. A lot of you are not subscribed to my channel. You're getting the beauty of watching my videos, but I do need your subscriptions. Please like, subscribe, and always click the alert button. You know, I can do it 100% because I'm really good at it. You'll never stop damp, ever, 100%. You can inject it, you can do all sorts of things, but you will still get damp issues if you don't deal with the breathing of the property. And of course, I may miss a bit when I'm doing this. This is my home. This is one of my houses. I can do what the f I want with it. Oh, excuse my language. Right, okay, so we need to pull that out, get that there, move that there. And all you do is get him out of the way. He has to stand up out of the way over there. So what we'll do is we'll start getting the insulation put in now. So what I would suggest we do, get a tape measure kit. So, tape measure and, is that mine? That's a new one, Charlie. No, I bought that one. I don't believe that for a second. That looks like mine.
What, every Stanley tape he sees, it looks like yours.
Yeah, because you nicked them.
I don't.
Do you or do you not nick my tapes?
I did nick one of them.
He did not nick one of them.
The only reason I nicked it is because you wouldn't have used it because I had it with a bolt stick.
I don't believe that for a second. I believe he still's nicking them. I have to keep count now of my tapes. I don't let him in near my tapes. Are you sure that's not mine? You still owe me one? I'll nick that. No, I don't want it. No, it's got your name on it. It's got your horrible name on it, Charlie. I'm putting in an insulated board. It's 3-inch thick. This is going onto the floor now. The idea really is to put the cement on, or the finished floor on top of this. What I'm going to do is I'm just going to start doing this. If it is right, this should be roughly, I will probably put my boards this way, purely because it's just easier. But I probably will start down here because that's the squarest part of the building. I move my boards further down. So this is what I'll do. I'll start here on this corner. So this is where I fold everything up here, push that in there, so there's no damp gets through to the actual upper floor. Once we put our conduits in and our heating pipes in, we then put crete on top, finish it to that height there, and that's the floor done. Just put another one there, Charlie, here. Give us another board there, kid. And down. Right, so we need to make a cut from here to there. So the idea really is, that's the first line. Just give us that there. Up you go again. So I see what the problem is here. See here? That needs to come out. See there's a height difference there? That needs to come up again, Charlie. Get it up. Just pick her up your way. Up at an angle. That's you. Now, drop her down. Wait. Make sure the black bag is behind her. Pick up the bag. That's the boy. Well done. And this is how you cut engine. No. So that's because of this, Charlie. See here? This wall has been...
Oh yeah, it's not.
Give me the blade there. And down, and down. Not like... Well, it is what it is. That's enough. Right, get another board, kid. We're doing a 32-inch cut. We'll just do the hole here. Cutting these boards, they've got little lines on these. If you see them here, look. That allows you to keep it square. I mean, you don't have to be exactly square because you can fill it in with expanding foam. Any sort of holes can be filled in and damped with expanding foam. I love that stuff. So it really puts it nice and secure. A lot of people don't use expanding foam, but I do. So I marked the cut area, which is going to be here. And that's what I'm going to cut it from. There you go, Charlie. Lift that one. That's it. You tap it in there, up the side. Go ahead. That's the boy. That's it. And up you go. Up you go. This way. Nice and tight. And then just... So I need to order more Kingspan to put the boards down. That's not bad. Did you just put a hole in that vaporproof? Yes, you did. So now we have a semi-vaporproof. Charlie's going to cut some vaporproof board and he's just gapping in. So let's have a look at what he does. I get out of the way now and you can, audience, you can watch him. Remember to use your finger for pointing. Finger for pointing. Keep it straight. Oh my God. Let's see that. Go in close camera. Well done, Charlie. Jeez, we found a new skill. All right, okay, so that's that done. All right, well listen, that's me. I'm gonna go and get the pipes now. Hey guys, thanks for watching. If you really like what you've seen today, please like and subscribe and follow and comment for more.